to improve on the length of your machine, always do the juicy or stuff like that on the bottom. So, and because it can break down ice, no problem, but you don't want it to start with resistance. Okay. So we're gonna go right here. So again, same thing every single time. Variable speed 1, turn it on, roll to 10. Now if it's not to go down, use the plunger thing on the paper. There you go. Now what I'm going to look for, it's going to take approximately 1 minute. What I'm going to look for is those granules. It's hard to see them down below, but when you're in your kitchen, you can see the content. You see like granules. Most of it is pure. Take a minute. With room temperature water. Now here what we do is we use a kettle so that you don't have to sit around for 6 minutes so you get it up for you. But yeah, and honestly, like when you do it for the full 6 minutes, it actually takes a little bit better because it really makes the flavor much better. I mean, it's a huge difference, but I can taste it. And granules are gone, all done. So, and again, you're not going to taste any of the grit from the lime in there. The pineapple, there's like a lot of strings in pineapples. You're not going to taste that either. And the beauty is too, you're going to absorb everything in this.
That's what I like about the balance of juicy.
Yeah.
So you just all your bowl.
They're like, oh, you can make sorbets, you can do all that, but
Feed your vegetable garden, right?
yeah, exactly. So you do that, and then